How to see that who screenshotted your Snapchat story. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can see that who screenshot your Snapchat story. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So to get this feature, what you have to do is simply click on your app store or the play store that you are using, and here you have to search for the Snapchat. Now once you are in, you have to click on it and update your Snapchat. And after updating your Snapchat, you just have to go back and click on your Snapchat. Now once you are in here, you have to click on your profile that is in the top left corner, and from here you just have to go on the my stories. Now what you have to do is simply click on it, and as you can see that here in the bottom left corner there is the arrow icon. You have to click on it, and from here you are able to see that who screenshot your story. Now if you go on the story rewatch, and as you can see that here is the menu option of the custom app icon, chat, wallpapers and apps theme, and there is many various option to just check the that who screenshot your Snapchat story. You just have to click on this arrow icon and you are able to see that who screenshot your Snapchat story. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.